Miguel, ilang gusto daw si Ellie? Let's get it! Let's go!
Pinanood ko yung mga episodes nila, yung mga illegal episodes. So, hindi ko pa-fan.
Ano, Brad?
Miguel, need that for you, bro.
Laro tayo, Parliamentary.
Tara, laro tayo.
Ano?
Who's most likely?
Okay, game. Oh, masama to, sige na.
Ikaw lang yung isa.
Pero yung tayo lang dito, who's most likely? Sa atin or sa
Sa lahat na. Sa atin.
Who's most likely?
Dito.
But then,
Sasay, ay, Sasay, gusto niyo po makita sumayaw si Miguel?
Yo!
Ayun, ang galing ni Miguel.
Abangan niyo po. Abangan yung post ng Star Magic. Sumayo.
Ay,
yes.
Pinasayo nila ako.
Oh, happy 1 million followers. What?
Bigyan dito.
Isang hi lang. Hi.
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 Yung most likely.
Who's most
Pag
likely?
mas sila mag-ano sila
Kayo po
Kayo magbigay ng who's most likely.
Who's most likely? Yes. Oh, why didn't we think of that?
We did.
No, I did.
who's most likely to...
Sige.
Sige, go. Pag may naisip ko.
Who's most likely?
Bakit? Walang guilty agad.
Yo!
Most likely to talk a lot. Joaquin.
Ito.
What?
Joaquin.
No brainer.
Dude, all of these guys talk a lot. It's
You
because,
talk
it's because I'm
a lot,
loud. These guys talk a lot also. Look at them.
Most likely to do baby talk.
No, it's you.
Oh my god, this is the time to expose.
Nabuka mo!
This is the time to
Okay
expose.
na.
This is the time. We are, I'm gonna,
So yung...
this is what I'm gonna say.
Yo! Sige!
Sige, ito mas malala.
Ano lang ako sa'yo?
Uy, ang ganda sa'yo.
No, no, no.
Okay, next question.
Yeah.
This is the time to expose.
Sige, Joaquin! Sige, Joaquin!
Laban tayo dito.
Ay, sige. Sige.
Pwede ko
Baka naman nakalimutan mo, I have something. I have something.
Pakita mo na.
Crystal.
Parang...
Most likely to be clean.
Most likely to be clingy. Most likely to be clingy.
Who's most likely?
Miguel!
Who's most...
Sila mag...
May nagtanong, who's most likely to...
Wala talaga nagtanong.
Wala talaga! Yo!
Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
Most likely... Ano ba? Magbigay ka naman most likely.
Who's most likely to baby talk?
Dude, no one said that.
Kanina. Invento ko.
Who's most likely to fall
Today-
for someone inside the house?
Wala talaga. Wala talaga.
Who's most likely makutot? Si Miguel!
Ay, ito talaga.
Miguel talaga!
Who's most likely?
Yo!
Meron time sa confession.
Sige! Sige! Wow! Nagdagat! Wow! Wow! What do you mean?
Yo, what the? Tignan niyo yun. Pakita natin. Tignan niyo guys.
These guys.
Kita niyo yun? Mga TikToker.
Most likely to eat a lot. Ako na yan.
Bro.
Yo, what?
Ay, sorry.
Most likely to laugh even if the joke's not funny. Lela.
Lela.
Ay, lapat.
Kapamilya. Kapamilya, palso.
Mo, kasama mo ngayong Pasko.
Kapuso, kapamilya mo, pinag-isa tayo. Kapuso, kapamilya mo, kasama mo.
Ano yung...
Lela.
Hello po.
Lela.
Ano?
Lela for big winner.
Yeah!
Ash, name!
Lela.
Lego, guys!
Lord!
Let's play.
Crystal.
Dave, asan si Ash?
Ha?
Asan si Ash, Ray?
Ganda mo tala. I know.
Fred ba
Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah.
Lela. Big winner daw.
Grabe, ay grabe.
Tala love ka. Caprice. iPhone 17. iPhone.
Lela.
I guess you're going, huh? What in the world?
Kain na tayo.
Okay, okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Babay ka na lang, okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Guys, Fred Moss on all social medias.
What?
Guys, lela.
Ano yun? Shout out.
Bye-bye na po,
Lela.
guys.
Lela.
Bye-bye. Bye, Nick.
Go, with me.
Bye na kayo.
Bye.
Bye, Frederick.
Aray! Yung big winner guys, oh.
Big winner.
Bye, Frederick.
Bye-bye.
Mas big win. Bye na. Love you.
So guys, tapan mo muna.
Ito, hindi talaga. Ito kasi.
Mukha na, Miss
Bye, Nick.
Ha? That's my RM.
That's my RM.
I'm gonna sit there.
My RM.
I'm gonna sit there. March 7. No, that's my
Ate Mike is my RM, bro. My RM. Get out. Mamaya. Bye, guys. See you soon. Eat well. Miss you guys. So guys.
Alam nyo guys, happiness lumalapang.
President ng Kapit, si Miguel. Oo, si Miguel.
Ako vice president.
Ako yung who's most likely to die first in a zombie apocalypse.
Si Dana.
Uy, hindi talaga.
Excuse me.
Feeling ko ako, matatakot na. Papakain na lang ako sa mga.
Hindi talaga.
Si Ellie.
Hindi si Ellie.
Si Ellie talaga.
Talaga. Parang kaya ni Ellie nakipag-pupulot sa...
Like, dahil na zombie.
Most likely to tell corny jokes. Ako.
Ay,
But the only nag-joke na ako kay Light. It's like, you're so corny.
Hindi ko pinabarinig sa inyo kasi...
He. Who's most likely to make corny jokes?
Ashley.
Ashley.
Corny, oo,
Ethan
Ashley.
They're
I miss
the
that
corny.
girl.
Alo, I miss Ashley. Magtampo. Most likely lagi magtampo. Si Princess.
Princess number 1.
Oo.
Miguel, sayo ka daw kasi inaantok ka na daw.
Oo, go na. Hindi, oo nga.
Okay naman na mga teaser.
Meron niya pong ano.
Teaser lang, teaser.
Meron.
Matagal maligo.
Merong...
Most likely na
TikTok
matagal daw
Star
maligo.
Magic.
Si Miguel. Tagal-tagal maligo si Miguel.
Okay,
Si Marco din, di ba?
Ito, yo, she showers for like 15 minutes. Ito pa. Ito pa. Meron madaming beses na hindi ako naka-shower ko. Kinuha niya yung shower ko. Pero pinabili ko siya.
Wow! Ayaw mo lang talaga maligo.
Dapat
Ayaw mo lang talaga
talaga
maligo.
ako
Hindi ko
tagal-
tinatamad ka lang talaga maligo.
Wow!
What the? Yeah, I shower twice a day. This girl doesn't shower.
Excuse me? I shower every day. What the?
He's not saying
Siya talaga
saying
naman.
that you shower every day. You shower twice a day.
So, I shower for
Lahat ng sisis na.
Hear me out.
Yo!
Who's most likely?
Mag-TikTok.
Who's most likely to get
Ano
married
naman
last?
sikat na audio?
Si Miguel.
Most likely ko.
To get
Most
married
likely to
first.
get
Si
married.
Inigo.
Married.
Si Inigo.
Oo. Engaged na nga yun.
Yo.
Oh, good. Oh,
Wait, I'm kind of...
what? Spam mushroom.
Okay.
Tayo mo.
Touch your nose, Inig.
Ay,
Nabasa.
huwag mo basahin.
Touch mo na lang.
Touch.
Touch it.
Nangangati yung ilong ko
Touch it.
Touch your nose.
Touch it.
What was that? Happy birthday, Sheila.
Hindi na yun, Gagi. Ngayon ba?
Sure ako ngayon yan kasi yung homecoming nila eh.
Hindi yan yun.
Ay, hindi pa ngayon.
So you guys want to eat with with
Sabi
everyone.
mga kachat mo.
Tingin ko manage mo.
Asan?
Asan si Ash? Ah,
Naka-live.
naka-live. Guys, spam nyo yung Sparkle.
Guys, work muna siya.
Yeah.
Thank you for the hat.
For the hat, with the cowboys.
Most sent, oh.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Spam,
sir.
spam, spam it.
Spam nyo pa.
And please follow our social medias.
Yes.
Promote.
Yes, please. Nag-live ang Spark. Bilis.
Ano ba yan? Ang bilis.
Ilayo nyo.
Ano na?
Hi, Jerica. Hi, Jerica. Scroll nga tayo pataas. Magbasa tayo ng comments.
Triple date, please. Okay.
Okay.
Hindi ako makakanood. Meron akong pasok.
Okay lang yan.
Okay lang yan. Huwag ka magkati.
Nag-end na? Nag-end na ba sila? Aha. Okay. Oh, shoutout mo daw to.
Oh, shoutout Jay.
Jay!
Fred.
Oh! Lel Nigo. Oh, thank you so much, Lel Nigo, for the
Oh
galaxy.
my gosh,
Where?
Lel Nigo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Lel Nigo.
Thank you, Lel Nigo.
Thank you so much, Lel Nigo.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Grabe
Grabe
yung
paggawa,
galaxy,
Fred.
ah.
Red, ano ba?
Libre mo kami.
Idodonate mo sa akin yan, ha?
Libre mo kami sa amin.
Samji.
Miss nyo na yung mga smiling angels.
Oh! That's the best. That's the best. You.
Shoutout birthday ko.
Happy birthday!
So, happy birthday. Ba't hindi kayo magkasama?
Dapat araw-araw kayo daw
Kailan ka magko-confess kay...
Nabasa.
Yo!
You gotta start reading it out
Dapat
loud.
pala silent reader ka lang dito.
Okay.
Nakalutang ka lang din.
Scroll tayo.
Inigo TikTok with...
Hindi ko TikTok.
Alam mo
with-
na yan.
Sino po? With
Uy,
who
TikTok
po?
na kasi kayo.
Oh! We gonna travel?
Okay.
Isa
Mamalawas ako.
ba, baby? Beep, 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 aking nakita. Babaeng saksakan ng ganda. Ayun, pang-edit na. Support tuloy.
Nyoink.
Support kami sa lahat ng ship sa bahay.
Tama.
Lahat ng ship nyo sa bahay, support kami dun.
From Phil. Walang lulubog, walang lilitaw.
Yay. Actually, legit yun.
Hmm.
Hey. Ash Rave, let's go. Spam it.
Okay.
Spam nyo naman yung
Okay,
Ash
let's go.
Rave.
Okay.
Okay.
May...
TikTok with Miguel. Oh, Gian, G.
Kiss
Paano
screen naman dyan.
Oh, thank you for the fruits.
Thank you for the fruits. Kiss screen daw.
Kiss screen daw.
Oh! Miguel, dito. Wag Miguel dito.
Tapos ko na mag-TikTok?
Let me see.
Pawis naman
Let me
siya.
see.
Pawisan ka. Yo guys, say what's up to Miguel.
Miguel,
Okay.
So Miguelito. Say what's up to the 13K
Say
viewers.
hi to the Ash Rave fans.
Oh, oh, thank you for the bear.
Thank you for the bear.
Hi,
Hi,
Miguel.
Miguel
Oh,
daw.
hi, Miguel daw. Andyan.
Oh, TikTok with
Hi,
Miguel.
Miguel.
Oh, TikTok with Miguel daw.
Live tayo mamaya sa Star Magic Takeover. Star Magic Takeover
G.
tayo.
Star Magic Takeover ata kami. Oh, madami.
Sali mo kami.
Oh,
Co-host.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye,
guys.
guys.
May gagawin na kami.
Bye-bye.